Hey, Southern Cruisers here. We're going to do a review of the Tutwiler Hotel in downtown Birmingham. Y'all stick around. We're also going to talk about the potential paranormal activity that exists at this hotel. And I'll let you know whether I've experienced it or not. Spoiler alert, the answer is yes. Stick around, y'all. All right, so here we are at the Tutwiler Hotel. This is originally the Tutwiler was built in 1914. That Tutwiler was demolished and a new one was built, but that was like, I believe, in the 70s or 80s. There's a lot of reports of paranormal activity here, and yeah, this guy may have experienced some. The building looks really old. Kind of run down. They're having air conditioning problems, if you can't see this big air handler here. So my stay was a little on the hot side, which I don't care for. This is kind of the front porch area of the Tutwiler. Looks really old school. We'll go in and I'll show you the lobby. I may have to use my card to get in. Got a grand piano in the lobby. They have these little sitting rooms. This is the Tutwiler room. Very old school. This is the Woodward room. Also the ATM room. I love the pictures. Here's a picture of the Vulcan statue before it found its place on top of the mountain. Supposedly, this hotel is haunted by at least two different ghosts. One is Colonel Tutwiler, who lived here when it was originally apartments. And the other one is a ghost called the Knocker that goes around knocking on doors. More about that later. I love the old school mailbox. The elevators are really old feeling. Lots of old Birmingham art. Little store. The 16 is a restaurant that you can go to. I didn't eat there this time, but I did 2 years ago. Here, the food was really good. The one thing I will say about the restaurant and the bar is you can't charge it to your room. Oh, there's the Vulcan on top. It's current perch. And if you're a Hilton American Express card owner like me, we like charging our meals to the room because we get extra points. I'm going to show you how we come in by car, because you don't go in the entrance that I just took. So if you're coming here by car, this is the way you're going to want to come in. This is Park Place. This is basically the back of the hotel, but this is where you park, and it's valet parking only, and I believe it's $38 a night. But yeah, this is the way you actually enter the hotel from Park Place. And that takes you to the lobby area right there. All right, we're on the 8th floor. This is the only hotel I've ever stayed in, the only Hampton Inn, where the breakfast buffet is on the top floor. All the drinks are out here. I'll go check out the fitness center first. May need my key. Nope. Oh good, nobody's using it right now. It's a fitness center. Like I said, everything is on the 8th floor up here. No pool. This is our city view. Looks like it does get used. All right, let's go check out the breakfast. Got your juices. Looks like today we're having biscuits. I'm sorry, I won't get you on camera. Bakery. All right, time to eat. This is my breakfast this morning. Some sausage and biscuits and a Danish. I did miss this area at first. I'm gonna get some sausage and little egg cakes. Try those. Okay, we'll do a quick room tour of room 615. This is where I'll be staying for the next few days for my conference. The Tutwiler is a really old building. It has been renovated, and these are small rooms. Got a nice mirror. Bathroom is pretty up to date, pretty modern. Got your standard Hampton Inn stuff, you know. Nice shower. Got a little bit of, I do like having some bar soap, and we've got some body lotion. Let's see, we have a little closet. There's a fan in there, an ironing board. And king size bed. Let's see what we have for power. Looks like we've got some couple of 3 outlets and a USB next to the bed. That's good. We've got some more USB outlets over here. Little desk, little coffee maker. Oh, I should show you that there is a refrigerator. I did not see a microwave. There is a little fridge. The drawers are kind of self-closing. We're in downtown Birmingham. Like I said, this is a very old building that has been renovated and turned into a Hampton Inn. You can tell these windows are old. This is the view out of my window. Some glare there. Little downtown view. That's the little area down there where you drive, where you park. It's valet only. Valet parking only. And that's pretty much it for the room. They do say that this hotel is haunted. I may be doing another video about that. We'll see. All right, more later. Bye, y'all. All right, y'all. It's about 2:30 in the morning, and I just heard a knock at my door, and I went to open it, and there was nobody here. And there's nobody may have just had a visit from a knocker. So either that or I was dreaming, but I don't know. I don't usually dream about knocks on the door. Could be a rough rest of the night. We'll see. Try to get some rest. I'll let you know in the morning. All right, guys, time to give my final report on my stay here at the Tutwiler in Birmingham. Overall, pretty good stay. The air has not been real cool, and we have had unusually hot weather for November, and so that hasn't been great. The staff that work here have been super nice, so I like that. Breakfast has been good. The reason I book here every 2 years is because of the location. It's the closest location for me to get to my conference, which is at the BJCC, the Birmingham Jefferson Civic Center. So that's why I stay here. Even though the rooms are kind of old, kind of a cool place, interesting history. So the only ding I'm going to give it really is for the air, but I believe they're getting that fixed. They're working on that. Now the other thing is the paranormal activity. I don't know if that bothers y'all. I didn't realize it was a thing until 2 years ago when I stayed here and I got woken up in the middle of the night by the sound of a woman's voice in the room, and I was by myself. My wife wasn't with me. And then the next thing you know, I Googled it, found out that the hotel has a long history of paranormal activity. So I was like, okay, maybe. Or maybe it was just a dream. So then this year, last night, I got woken up again at like 2:30 in the morning by what I perceived to be a knock at the door. This building is also old, makes a lot of noise, so I don't know. You decide. So for the hotel in general, I'm gonna give it a score, I'm gonna say 7 out of 10. Probably will stay here again, maybe stay here again. For the paranormal activity, I'm gonna give it a score of 9 out of 10. So that really, if that's your thing, you might wanna stay here. If that's not your thing, you need to stay as far away from this place as you can. You know, I almost expected the 2 little twin girls from The Shining to come walking out last night, but thankfully they did not. So, we're Southern Cruisers. We do hotel reviews, restaurant reviews, all kinds of travel videos. We like to cruise. We'll be going on 2 cruises soon. More information about that to come. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on socials. We're on TikTok now. We're on Facebook, Instagram. And we'll see y'all on a cruise ship or in a hotel one of these days. Bye, y'all.